One of the things that we added was, some time ago, actually, let me just come up here and I'm going to say new routine. And I'm going to give this routine a, say, new lead for first time home buyer routine. Contacts, and we're going to do this as a new lead. New lead date. Okay. Prior to the update, you could still come up here and you can say, let Sam build it. And then you can come in here and you could type in your full description of what you want your new lead to be, your new lead routine to be. I did add in this the microphone. I'm not sure that it'll work with me because I'm using the microphone on this software, but new lead for first-time home buyers. Okay. So you can say the words in there. It's not always right, but new lead routine for first-time home buyers. So what does that mean? What kind of detail? That's very brief, very short. It's not going to give you a lot of detail. But what we've done is we've added the let Sam enhance your objective. You click on that and it will take your words and it will build it out as being a more descriptive version of what a good routine objective would be. Develop a comprehensive onboarding routine for first-time home buyers consisting of a series of interactions over the first 30 days. It kind of goes through the entire process of giving a good description. Then by doing that, you can come over here to generate. It then uses that enhanced version to actually create the routine outline, and then you can approve that outline and it'll go through and build everything. So from that, it has gone through and created all the different things in the system. This one is basically per week. So every week you're sending something new. And then if I click on approve and build, it'll go through, it'll build the activities, it'll build the templates, and does everything for you. So that enhanced part of it is what I added to really help you guys be able to create better routines with a more verbose description of the routine itself.